Bukana po butabe utage si bufakumare di gotren ion awadzirara bukageri akabas ara butori awewe geri solen usun me by berauta. Ren no kochoranga ra study ra kageri by berauta butori side arrobo erisi solen arrobo mamare der auchese. Nge sabu side gebe yorkabe raban eri esokun agang arrobo ning mereira rabas. You had nga bote which the boy away with para kiron ewe korrit so por meru erage we ewe fan ewe mwichefel. The church is made up of many members. Ewe para the many members iga sokobade non ton nore mwichefel erage ewe de sabotia serieven. So the pastor, the preacher is not more important than a person that is working as a janitor or whatever, or just a mother or an uncle or a son that's in the church. We are part of this body of believers. We are part of the church, and we're all important in God's eyes. Jag bara vi gör diffa vi och vi kan se kod göra diffa för vi vet arbetori endingar och kod men det vi och så bara för vi kan vet tots nge vi vet på för det seri ke ira pada para ke vi korrit så bara möjlighet ara på vi ge fenna korrit ke så det na korrit pui rats mo jira på nambaya på ari eurifanga we kabesecot ning mereira rabas iwe para rir iwe de boko ferochea ika kesire ewe korritsa por möjlighet fasun ewe dita chen ika tom para vakege ika wa fokusire bei fas wa fokusire ba farafa wa sire bokör ika vet karan wese sire bei nga wese urge meremet wa förri nge eso re evetchen ika evetton nge was nothing. I am nothing. I am pretty much trash. Bun eso med me förutsäga nge jag bara så bara vakege chen ila vet bokorotsea not ever tonore mwichefel. If you are part of the body of Christ, if you are part of the church and you do not have love, then really you're nothing. Then it's nothing. It's good for nothing. It's patient. It's kind. It's forgiving. Every member of the body need to have this thing called love. Agape love. It's unconditional. Idee defenso medicine irawo igage med kaffer ngeri menga igaret karan eserara one med evra för det går one med koda för färdigt och ida vet si it's a love that you can only receive from God, and once you receive it from God, then you can give it to others, because the love that you get from others, you might get some from you might be able to pass to others, but it's not the same from the love that we get from God. And so, git soling at si barangeri god eboette at stoge arabas. Eboette at stoge at favidi, eboette at stoge mwichefel ke o soling puida soon med vida vet bara vake at sibwe at jojo metoge arabas puida vet ebo ko ferocia seri wi snandavana.